Okay, wrist.
Okay, have you been here before?
You have wrist pain all over.
Mm-hmm. It happens when you're a hairdresser.
Let's see if it goes.
Yeah, so right now we're scheduling for the 27th
Is that one?
and the
Ooh, yeah, so we got both sides there.
and I have
Ooh.
Wednesday morning available. That would be
See?
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah.
There's one.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. It's good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Love a good wrist adjustment.
Thank you.
Thank you.